Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Rehan. What's your name?
My name is Mehak.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mehak, where you from?
I am from Pakistan. What about you?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Lahore.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I'm 24 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
What is your hobby?
I like reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's your?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
Yes, I also have a cat.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak French.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook food.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot. And you?
I also want to become a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Sunday the most.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
It was really nice talking to you, Mehak.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Rehan.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.